Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Quantsapp, and today we will be learning about how you can trade with the help of open interest and change in open interest, right? So before coming to the main topic, if you are new to the video, you can go in the description. There is a link below. You can download and install the web application of Quantsapp, right? On successful registration, you will get some free tools here that you can use while you are trading. Okay, now in the learn section we have a video library, so we have made multiple videos for you. If you are interested in the pro tools or strategies, so you can go through these videos. Okay, they are available in multiple languages also, so you can set your preference obviously, right? Now in the profile section we have a support, right? So you will get our phone number and mail ID. So if you are having any kinds of doubts, any kinds of queries, okay, while you are trading, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out, right? So let's go to today's topic. Okay, now if I'm talking about how you can trade with the help of open interest and change in open interest, so there is a question, right? And that question is, what is open interest, right? What is open interest? So I have told you multiple times, the open interest, the OI means open interest, right? Open interest. Now in open interest there are buyers and sellers also, buyers and sellers, there are both, right? But we interpret the term open interest in terms of sellers. Why? I have told you multiple times. Why? Because they are using huge margin for trading, right? They are having unlimited loss, right? So they are taking unlimited risk, okay, and they are trading for a limited profit, right? So if it means, if they are sitting on a certain level, if they are sitting on a certain level, for example, if they are sitting on a certain level, for example 52,000, if they are sitting here, okay, so it means they must be having some kind of scenario, some kind of strategy. They must be thinking about something, okay? So because they are taking huge risk for a very limited profit, okay? So that is why whenever we talk about open interest, okay, so we talk about sellers, and what we call them, we call them smart money, right? Now let's go ahead. So if I'll tell you, for example, this is my open interest, right? And here at the 52,000 strike price, okay, 52,000 strike price, there were 1 lakh OI. Okay, so 1 lakh OI, it means, so we generally interpret it like there are 1 lakh sellers. Okay, 1 lakh sellers. So whenever there is 1 lakh OI, 2 lakh OI, 3 lakh OI, so what you will think, there is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh sellers sitting here, there, right? So if they have sold this level, if they have sold call, it means they want market to go down, or if the market is already down, so they want market to remain below this level. Okay, now so these there were 1 lakh sellers sitting here. Now what if I'll tell you there were 50,000 sellers more added in this level, right? It means now total there is 1,50,000, okay, and the open interest, it has been increased by 50%. It has been increased by 50%. It means this level is now getting stronger and stronger and stronger, okay? So the market will not move above this level, okay, if there is a positive change in open interest, because more sellers are being added, right? Similarly, what if I'll tell you there was a level that is, I can say 51,800, okay, 51,800, and now 51,800, so there were approximately 80,000 sellers, okay, 80,000 put sellers. So put sellers, it means they want market to go above it or remain above it, right? Now what if there were increase, 50% increase, but here I can see minus 40k, okay, it means 40,000 sellers, they have exited their position from this level. So it means this level is now getting more weaker and weaker and weaker. So this level can be easily broken out by the sellers. It means if there will be positive change, if there will be positive change in OI, okay, it means the level is getting stronger, right? The level is getting stronger, there are more sellers, okay, so sellers are being added. And if there is a negative change in OI, it means the level is getting more weaker, okay, so there were the sellers are removed from the position, Got it? Now let's see, let's go to the web application of Quantsapp and let's see how we can use this data. Okay, so first of all, you have to go in the analyze section and charts in order. So I have opened the chart of BankNifty here, right? Now I have drawn certain levels here, you can see. So there was a level of 52,200. You can see at 52,200 the market was trading sideways from a very long time. Okay, and right now it is trading between 52,000 to 52,300, right? So 52,200 to 52,300. Okay, so it is trading between these two levels. It means these two levels are stronger. Okay, these two levels you can interpret like the above level is my resistance and the below level is my support. ऊपर वाला resistance, नीचे वाला support. Simple. Why? Because I can also see in the chart there was a rejection from this point, again rejection, rejection, right? So this is my strong resistance. Similarly, if I can see here, so there was a rejection of price also. So I can see if there is a change in polarity, so this resistance that was acting as a resistance here, so it can also act as my support here. Okay, because of the change in polarity concept, right? So I can see from the chart there are certain support and resistance. Let's verify the support and resistance with the help of open interest, right? So what I'll do, I'll go in the track option and there is open interest, right? So in the open interest I can see there are certain levels here. Okay, so what we have done, basically they are the open interest and change in open interest data, but we have drawn it in a tabular form, in a graphical representation for you, so you can easily interpret it, right? Now we have seen the market was trading at 52,200 and it was sideways from a long time. Why? Because here you can see at 52,200 there is a maximum call sellers who have sold the calls. You can see there are two types of line. One some are greens in color like this, okay, and some are red in color. So the green lines, they are call sellers or call writers, okay, who have sold the call, who wants market to go down. Now the red one, they are the put sellers, okay, or you can say put writers who want market to go in the bullish direction, go above, right? So I can see there is a biggest green bar at this candle, that is 52,200. Okay, so it means they don't want market to go above that level, right? So that is market is going sideways. And I can also see at this level, let me tell you what this level is. So at 51,900, so at 51,900 there are maximum put sellers who want market to go above this level, right? So there is a tug of war between these call seller and put seller, and that is why my market is trailing it sideways. So I can see if the market, if it will break the above level 52,200, then it will go in the above direction. If it will break 51,900, then it will go in the bearish direction, right? Now how much it will go? So then I can see in the above level there is a level that is 52,300, and I have already analyzed 52,300 level in my chart that was acting a very strong resistance, right? So I have validated this level 52,300 from the chart as well as from the open interest also, because it has a very strong bar here, right? You can see there is a very strong bar here at 52,300, right? So what it is telling me, right now my market is sideways. Okay, so there is a range, the range is 52,200 and 51,900. Okay, if the above range will break, so it will go in the above direction till when? Till 52,300, okay, and then 52,500. Got it? So these are my two levels. Now if it will break in the below direction, so then my market will go till, let me check what this level is, the biggest red bar here. So this level is 5,900. Okay, so after 51,900 there can be a big fall, okay, till 51,900. There is also a bar here that is 51,700, but it is not that much strong as comparison to this. Okay, so right now I am ignoring it. Okay, but let's see what happens in the today's and tomorrow's market, then we can say. Okay, now there are some questions, okay, like, okay, this is the bank nifty and nifty, but what if there are so many stocks, 185 futures and option stocks? What if we want to analyze the OI and change in OI of those stocks? So for that, what we have in the track, we have the triggers option. Okay, so it will tell you about in which stock there is a maximum change in OI. Okay, now you can see there is a change in OI feature. So if you will tap it, it will arrange the open interest in ascending and descending order, right? Right now I can see in the IEX there is a maximum change of minus 18.88%. It means 18.88% of sellers are taking exit from IEX strike price 220. Right? If I'll go in this direction, so I can see in the put side they are also taking exit by 1.27%. Right? Now how you can select the stocks? So what you can for that, what you have to do? For that, what you have to do, you just want, if you are trading in the bullish direction, okay, if you want a trade in the bullish direction, what you want there is a negative change in OI in call side, and you want a positive change in OI in put side. Okay, so in put side I want the positive change like this, like this, like this. Okay, why? Because the put sellers are increasing. It means the put sellers who have sold the put, it means they want market to go in the above direction, right? The call sellers who want market to go down, so their position is decreasing, right? I want that. And here their position is increasing. Yes, I want that, right? So I'll go with the change in OI negative in call side and change in OI positive in put side, right? Let's see what are those stocks. So I can see 1 2 3 4. Okay, so right now I'm selecting these, and similarly I can see, okay, so there are all negatives. Okay, so right now I got how many stocks? 1 2 3 4 5 stocks. Got it? Now I'll also sort out these stocks. How? Now I have to focus on this call difference, right? Now what is the call difference? So call difference is the change between your strike price and your futures price, right? I can see 2575 was the future price, is the future price, right? And 2600 is my strike price. So right now my stock Nestle India, that is somehow close to my resistance, close to my strike price, but it has not broken it yet, right? So if it will broke it, so then I can trade in the bullish direction, right? So that is why there is a green number. So the call difference, when the call difference will be below 2, so then it will show you in the green color, right? Because it means there is still scope and you can still take entry in this stocks. Now you can see in the 2.58%, the LIC SG Fin, it has already given you a rate of interest of 2.58%. It has already given you a move of this much, right? It means if you will still take position in this stock, there may be chances that it will not provide you now, because it has already provided you a rate of interest of 2.58%. But if you will take a position at here where it has already given a profit of or a movement of 1.43%, so there are chances that it can go till 2% or 3%, right? So that is why the rate of the call difference will be in green, where there will be a rate of change, or you can say the momentum less than 2%, right? So that you can still opt that position or opt that stock, right? So this is how you can select your stocks on the basis of change in OI, and then you can trade in them. You can make your entry in them with the help of change in OI, the open interest, right? So I have told you about it in importance, how you can analyze the OI and change in OI in chart also, and how you can use this scanner, that is trigger, that will be available in the track section, right? So I hope guys you got to know much about change in OI and OI. Okay, so this was all about this was all for today's video, right? If you like the session, you can like the video, you can comment us down, you can subscribe also, right? So thank you so much guys. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.